Dear student, greetings of the day. You give exam in hours and examiner do evaluation in minutes. So how you impress the examiner to get better marks? I'm Dr. Hitesh Bhargav, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. Today I'll give best tips and technique how to impress examiner to get more marks in the exam with proper content and proper knowledge. First point, you have to keep always left hand margin on each page of answer sheet. So you need to draw by using pencil and scale left hand side margin. If margin is available, you are not required to draw. But if margin is not available, then you need to draw by using pencil and scale. So it gives better impression on examiner as well as your quantify the answer. So the length of answer is going to increase by just keeping left hand margin on each page of answer sheet. My second suggestion, always write a new question on new pages, even subtract question on the new pages. Do not overlap same question on the same pages. Write question 1 at top header of your page and always write a question 2 on the next page. Even try to maintain this thing for the subsection also, like question 1a on this page and question 1b on the another page, and try to maintain the sequence like question 1a, 1b, 1c. Don't skip like 1a to direct 1c because it creates a confusion during the assessment. Point number 3, when a theoretical question is there, always underline a key point like value, key point like a name of author, key point like a principle, law of particular thing. So you can underline by pencil, so which provide a more focus to the examiner to give a value to your answer. Point number 4, particular in engineering and science student, you need to solve some numerical in your exam. So when a numerical question is there, so always start your writing by given data. Whatever the data is given in the numerical, you need to first write a given data, like velocity equal to 5 meter per second. So you need to write a v equal to 5 meter per second. So you have to write a different data like x equal to 2 meter, acceleration is equal to 2. So you need to write a different data. Then you need to write a applied equation or use empirical correlation. Which equation or which correlation is required to solve that numerical. So you need to write this second thing, and then you start your numerical. Another important, when you get answers, always write a and s at the short form of answer on the left hand margin with bold letter, and write an answer like I'm getting a heat transfer equal to 20 kilojoule per second. So you need to write a h equal to 20 kilojoule per second and encircle with box by using pencil and scale. So always encircle, make a box on your answer. So examiner directly get your answer in through that box, which improve your impression on the examiner. Our fifth point, always support your answer with schematic, with figures, with sketch. Without sketch, without image or without schematic, you cannot impress the examiner. So try to create a small sketch. Whatever the turbine is there, you need to draw one triangle and explain this is a turbine. In numerical also you can draw a small schematic diagram. What are the data is given at an inlet, what are the data is missing, and what equation you are using. So always support your answer with schematic, with figure or with line diagram. And one important thing, don't draw this figure by using pen. Always use pencil and scale. And whenever you draw a figure, always cover with a square box or rectangle box. So that give more better impression on examiner. Point 6, don't write a long answer or the paragraph in a theoretical question. Rather, you need to divide your answer into 3 main sections like introduction, then we have main content, and then we have a conclusion. And here also you need to write answer in the point form rather than the sentence form, because examiner are interested in your knowledge. And in point also, don't use numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because when you use these types of number, you are allowing examiner to count your point 1, 2, 3, 4. Rather you use arrow, use circle, dash, different bullet for your different point. So this is most important point when you write an answer in any theoretical subject. Point 7, sometime what happen, you written something wrong and you are doing rubbing, or you are strike out, or you are using whitener. So don't do this practice during the exam. You need to simply take a pencil and draw one line over that wrong thing. So don't use or don't rub or don't strike out. Just take a small line on your wrong portion. So this is also add beauty in your writing. So these all tips and technique always work with your content and with your knowledge. Sometimes what happen, your friend are getting more marks even though same preparation, but by using these tips and technique you can add 20 to 30 percentage in your grade sheet. Just presentation is more important. Nowadays the world is going toward a better presentation. You have a knowledge, but if you are not present in a well manner, you will not get a better mark. So in this video I am trying to explain how to adopt this 7 technique to write a better answer in your answer sheet and to impress examiner. I hope you like this video. Even you can check out my different content on a different topic on my channel Backbenchers Gurukul. You can subscribe my channel for such interesting and useful video. Thank you.